So in the first part, I have given some examples of elementary transformations, translation, rotation, and reflection. So now we consider the general cases. So let us first consider the translation, general translation transformation or mapping as fz. W equal to fz. Say so z plus say b. Okay, so where your b is a complex number, fixed complex number, say b1 plus I b. Okay, so under this transformation, so you see that z equal to x plus iy, this is transformed to u plus iv equal to z plus b, and that is x plus iy plus b1 plus I b2, and that is x plus b1 plus I y plus b2. So therefore this x x is what? X plus b1, and y is our new y plus b2. Okay, so this is your u and this is your v in the w plane. So therefore if it is in the z plane, and here it is the w plane. Okay, so you see that your x plus iy, this becomes a point which is x plus b1 and plus I times y plus b2 point. Okay, so what is this? So you see that this is x is translated by b1 on the x-axis, right, and on the imaginary axis it is translated by y plus b2, and depending on b1 and b2 whether they are positive or negative, so it will be on the right side or left side or upper side or lower side. Okay, so for example w equal to say z plus 2 minus I. Okay, so this transformation will transform the points on the z-axis, on the z-plane, to the points where your points are shifted 2 units on the x-axis and minus 1 inch on the left, on the lower half. Okay, on the imaginary axis, negative imaginary axis. Okay, because it is minus 1, y minus 1. So this is the imaginary part, y minus 1 is the imaginary part of this. Okay, so therefore when this in the x-axis and this is imaginary axis, so your x plus iy, so this will be what? This will be x plus 2 units on the right, and again minus 1 unit below. So therefore this will be this. Okay, so the point x plus iy here will be point, this is x plus iy, but it will be 2 units right and 1 unit left, so this point will be here. So this point will be transformed to this point. Okay, so this is the general translation mapping. Okay, this is the general translation. For example, similarly I have, if I consider z plus say z minus 2 plus 3i. Okay, z minus 2 plus 3i, then this is a what? On the w plane I have what? Minus 2 units on the left. Okay, and 3 units up. So therefore if it is 1 plus I, this is the point 1 plus I, this will be what? This point will be, so this is 1 plus I, so this point will be minus 2 units here. Okay, and 3 units up, so 3 units up, 1 2 3, so this point will be, this point will be transformed to this point. Okay, so it will be, what is this point? Minus 1 plus 4i. Okay, minus 1 plus 4i. So that is the general translation transformation. Okay, so we found that z equal to z plus b, the general translation transformation, where b equal to b1 plus ib2. So it is towards right, I have b1 in this translation, and towards the imaginary axis I have b2. Depending upon whether b2 is plus or minus, it is on the upper half shifting or lower, okay, below, is shifting up or shifting below. And depending on b1 is positive or negative, we are shifting right or left from the original point. Okay, so that is your general translation transformation mapping.